Hello everyone, I welcome you all, and today we are going to study adverbs from your grammar book. Chapter number 23 and page number 92. Alright, so let's begin. What is adverb? Alright, so adverb, as it is clear by the name, adverbs. Right, so adverbs are the words that adds to the meaning of a verb. Alright, now you can understand by the giving sentences over here. Just read the passage thoroughly. You can understand this topic easily. Alright, so what is easily here? Understand is a verb, and this one, and easily is adding the meaning of understand. You can understand it easily. So easily is adverb. Just listen patiently. So listen is verb, and patiently is adding the meaning of verb. And attentively, attentively is also an adverb. Alright, Rohan, come here. So come is a verb, and here is adverb. And sit down, sit is also a verb, and down, that is describes the verb over here. Why were you absent yesterday? Alright, so absent is a verb, and absent is described by the word yesterday. So yesterday is an adverb. How can you behave so carelessly? Again, behave is a adverb, and carelessly, that is an adverb. Alright, so behave is a verb, it's a verb, and it is the meaning is adding by carelessly or behave. Alright, that is adverb. When your exams are approaching, now I'm explaining the topic. Adverbs again. So what is again over here? That is adverb, just for you. I hope you will understand it now. So now is also an adverb. Alright, understand is a verb, and now describes the verb understand. Alright, so yes, you all can write the definition that is given over here. An adverb is a word that adds to the meaning of a verb. Adverbs tells us when, where, how often someone did something. Okay, so I'm moving to the next slide. Read some more examples. My father went to office early. So when did my father go to office? My father went to office early. So when, you are getting a question when, and you are getting a response early. So what is early over here? Early is an adverb of time. What is this? It is an adverb of time. AT. A for adverb and T for time. It's an adverb of time. Don't go outside. Where not to go? Outside. So this one is adverb of place. AP. Adverb of place. The next is he drives car carefully. How does he drive car? How? You are getting a question how. So it's showing manner. It's an adverb of manner. Alright. The next one is she sometimes makes excuses. So the question is, how often does she make excuses? So how often? Alright, we are asking how often, means we are asking frequently, na? So it's a adverb of frequency. The next is I brush my teeth twice a day. How often? How often do I brush my teeth? I brush my teeth twice a day. So it's also an adverb of frequency. The next is the school bus stops here. Where does the school bus stop? So the school bus stop here. So what is here? Here is adverb of place. Alright. The next is students are waiting patiently for the bus. Why are students waiting for the bus? Alright. How are, sorry, not why are, how are, no? Because it's showing manner. Patiently is over here. How are students waiting for the bus? Yes, they are waiting patiently. So patiently is showing the manner. That's why it is an adverb of manner. The next is the bus has arrived now. Alright. So answer will be the bus has arrived now. So when, all right, when has bus arrived? So the bus has arrived now. It's also showing adverb of time. What is this? Which kind of adverb it is? It is an adverb of time. Why it is an adverb of time? Because now is here now. So now, then, early, tomorrow, late, today, tonight, before. These are examples of adverb of time. The students run fast and brought the bus. So how these students run? So run is defined by the word fast. So fast is adverb. All right. The next is I never rush like this. So which kind of rush? Never. So what is never? Never is a frequency. All right. How often do you rush? I never rush. All right. I always wait for my turn. How often? All right. So yes, I always wait for my turn. So wait is a verb and wait is described by the word always. So always is an adverb of frequency. Now we're moving to the next slide. Yes, you all can write the definition in your copy. What is adverb of manner? Adverb of manner tell us how something happens. They are usually placed by either after the main verb or after the object. Alright? The next is an adverb of place. An adverb of place always talks about the location where the action of the verb is being carried out. Alright? It's talk about the location. Alright? And the next is adverb that change or qualify the meaning of sentence by telling us when thing happens. Alright? That is known as time. Alright? Adverb of time. The next is adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency tell us how often something is done. So yes, let's talk about first adverb of manner. So I had already discussed adverb of manners tell us how something happens. For example, sweetly, hard, neatly, carelessly, brightly, excitedly, fast, sadly, badly, tactfully, kindly, simply, easily, angrily, lazily. These are the words that is known as adverb of manner. Alright. So what are the example of adverb of place? Adverb of place is everywhere, there, here, upstairs, up, down, downstairs, outside, inside, somewhere, above, down, overhead. And what is adverb of time? It is particularly defined about the time. Alright, when it happens. Like when it happens, now, or happened tonight, or before, or ago, soon, then, early, tomorrow, yesterday, today. The next is adverb of frequency. Already discussed with you all how often anything is done. The examples are always, never, sometimes, once, twice, often, usually. Now what you have to do, you all can see here na examples of adverb of manners is given in the chart, and adverb of place, adverb of time, and adverb of frequency. So learn this. Form adverbs by adding ly. So what you have to do, you have to frame, you have to change the given words into adverb by adding ly. Alright, so these words are adjective, and by adding ly you can change it into adverb. So what is bad? Bad is adjective, right? You just define any noun or pronoun by adding bad, right? He's a bad person, so it's a bad. So how can we change it into adverb? We just need to add ly, then it change into badly. Brave, bravely. Sweet, sweetly. Neat, neatly. Tactful, tactfully. Kind, kindly. Happy, happily. Simple, simply. Easy, easily. True, truly. Angry, angrily. Lazy, lazily. Alright, so you all can add ly by this. You can help this video in doing this. The next is underline the adverbs and tell their kind. Alright, underline. I had already made underline over here under the sentence. For example, go immediately. So what is immediately over here? It's a adverb of time. All right. Run quickly. All right. How? It's telling you manner. So it's an example of adverb of manner. Students work hard. How they work? They work hard. So it's also an adverb of manner. He never told a lie. All right. Never. So never is adverb of frequency. All right. Never, always, sometime, once, twice. Usually these are examples of adverb of frequency. I take exercise regularly. It's also an example of frequency. He stood there. It's a place now showing that he stood there. So it's an example of adverb of place. Soon, adverb of time. Loudly, it's showing you manner, right? It's showing you how the lion roars. So answer is the lion roars loudly. The next is God is everywhere. All right. So everywhere is also an adverb of place. It's showing you the place now, that God is not only one place, God is present everywhere, at every place. She greeted the guest warmly. How did she greet the guest? She greeted the guest warmly. So it is an adverb of manner. I am terribly engaged in the project. So it's also an example of adverb of manner. Moving to the next slide, go upstairs. Upstairs is an example of place, adverb of place. Don't walk clumsily. It's an example of adverb of manner. We sometimes go to village is an example of sometime. It's a frequency, adverb of frequency. The soldiers fight. You had given adverb over here and you have to select suitable adverb. The soldiers fight bravely. So the correct option is bravely. We sat comfortably in the bus. Please speak politely. All right, you have to speak politely. Now you can't speak rudely to anyone. I have never met them. She speaks English fluently. He quietly entered the room. Never treats animal cruelly. We shall set up our own business soon. Alright, because shall is given there, so yesterday is wrong. He will go to Suraj Kund craft fair. Again the sentence is future tense, so yesterday is wrong. The correct one is tomorrow. Alright. Shri treated them tactfully. Alright, because treated is verb over here and it is described by the word tactfully. Tactfully is an adverb while tactful is an adjective, so this one is wrong. Tactfully is right. I am writing now. Alright, because it's a present tense and then means that is past, so then is wrong over here. Rain, rain, go away. Alright. Now moving to the next slide. Cross the road slowly. So what is slowly? How should we cross the road? We should cross the road slowly. So slowly is an adverb of manner because you are getting the question how. Boys are playing. Where boys are playing? It's an example of adverb of place. Outside, inside. Alright. So adverb of place. Children are playing. Now you have to put adverb of time. So which one is correct? Now. Children are playing there. Children are playing now. You can put any of adverb of time. You can put children are playing then. Then we cannot use because then is used for past tense. Children are playing there. Children are playing now. Alright. So the next is wait Bachu. Actually there is some mistake. There is not an adverb of time. It's an adverb of place. And what is given here in the third number? It is given there adverb of time. So what will we do? We will write only now, right? We cannot use then. That is past tense and it's a present continuous tense, so we will put only now here. All right, children are playing now. All right, or you can write children are playing today. Today children are playing. All right, that is also right. All right, but we cannot use there. It's wrong. I thought it's an adverb of place, but it is written there adverb of time, the third one. The fourth is we are playing. Here you have to you have to write adverb of manner. Children are playing excitedly. All right, excitedly, it is a manner na. Children are playing excitedly or noisily. All right, loudly. Adverb of time now you have to put over here. So tomorrow will be holiday. We cannot put here over here yesterday because it's a future tense. So we will put tomorrow. We should, here adverb of frequency. We should always help others. Always. We have to put over here always. We went to see the old fort. Again you have to put adverb of time. So we went now. So yesterday, because it is a past tense. We must sit. We must sit, it's a manner na. So quietly, how should you sit in the classroom? You should sit quietly in the classroom. If you don't work hard, so it's an adverb of time now. We will put here today. If you don't work hard today, you will be sorry later. The next is we dash go to school on foot. So we often go to school on foot. She might be sleeping. Here we have to put adverb of place. She might be sleeping there. She might be sleeping somewhere. She might be sleeping there. Alright? Outside. She might be sleeping outside. She might be sleeping inside. Okay? The next is frequency. Never hurt others. Alright? We should never hurt others. So student, thank you so much for watching. If you like my video, kindly like it, subscribe it and comment. Thank you.